Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the earbuds had power and were paired last. This matters because pairing state enables signal tracking. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings and any manufacturer finder app, then enable continuous scanning. Once done, walk slowly through the area in 1 to 2 meter steps while watching signal strength or proximity meter. Make sure the phone is held level and not in a pocket. This improves reception. If you have 2 earbuds, track the one that last showed a stronger signal first. You now narrow the search by triangulating signal strength and using any play sound feature. The how is simple. Note where the signal increases as you move. Make sure to sweep likely drop zones methodically: couch seams, jacket pockets, bags, and under car seats. Once you detect a stronger signal, circle that area slowly and change phone orientation to confirm direction. Reduce interference by turning off other Bluetooth devices and moving to a quieter environment so audio cues and RSSI changes are clearer. You finish by using any audible ping to localize the earbud. Follow the sound and make small adjustments until you can reach and retrieve it. If the ping is unavailable, rely on the strongest RSSI and systematically search that micro area with pockets and cushions turned out. Once retrieved, reconnect and test audio. If nothing appears, try a second phone, the maker's Finder app, or mark the earbuds lost in the app and retrace your steps. One troubleshooting tip: if the signal is erratic,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.